Alright, so we're back at it. We have a fully charged battery. And my assumption is probably some of this is wrong. But before I tear into it, we've confirmed the internet. It says these go here and there. Could put that one on a little better. Okay, positive to battery. Leave this as much out the way. Wonder why that's grounded. Honestly, I don't think that needs to be grounded. But someone's like purposely put that on. But I'm going to take it off. Because this doesn't look right to me. Something about that just doesn't look right. Those are the same wire, so maybe those two complete a circuit. But wire ties like that don't deserve to be on a car. Alright, so we're going to say that's fixed our problem. Ignition to ignition. The battery hot. That way we can take it off if it does run. Yeah.